Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Sorry for not uploading for so long because I had my board exams and I'm free now, so I'm starting to make these videos again. Our topic today is standard model of particle physics. Let's study the classification of particles. Firstly, particles are classified into leptons and hadrons. Leptons are the elementary particles that are not made up of quark, obviously, because they are elementary. They're not involved in any strong nuclear force. Hadrons are the particles made up of quarks, and these quarks are held together by strong nuclear forces. Hadrons have two types, baryons and mesons. Baryons are those hadrons which have three quarks, and mesons are those hadrons which have one quark and one antiquark. Proton and neutron both are baryons. I just talked about force, so which force are we talking about? The force in this topic is divided into four forces. First one, strong force; second, weak force; third, electromagnetic force; fourth, gravitational force. The strong force is listed by its name, strongest among these all. The carrier of strong force is gluon, represented by a small g, and this strong force has a really short range. And second, we have weak force. This is comparatively weaker than strong force, and its carriers are W and Z bosons. W bosons can have positive as well as negative charge, whereas Z bosons is always neutral. Then we have electromagnetic force. Its carrier is photon. This electromagnetic force has infinite range because photon is massless, thus can travel infinite distance, but it only gets weaker as the distance goes on. This gravitational force is the weakest among all, but we don't know its carrier, them as gravitons, and they are represented by G, nu, or capital G. Proton consists of two upper quarks and one down quarks, and they are held together by gluons, the strong nuclear force. The charge of up quark is E is the modulus charge of electron. Down quarks have a charge of -1 upon 3e. Proton has charge of +1e. If we add the charges of all three quarks, we'll get first both the upper quarks this is some basic calculation. We'll get 3 by 3 and 1, and this is our resulting value. Now let's see neutron. Neutron has no charge, 0e, and the structure of neutron, 1 up quark and 2 down quarks. Charge here is 0e. We just add the charges of all. Would we get 0e? Let's see. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. We do in fact get 0. This was the electrical charge of these quarks, but there is also another type of charge, that is color charge. I mean, it is not really the particles that are colored, we have just classified them for our convenience, and that will be topic of our next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.